My name is Lewis and I'm a product manager at Kidde Fire Safety, responsible for our fire suppression products. Thank you for providing me with an opportunity to demonstrate an essential home fire safety skill, mastering the PASS method. While many people have never used a fire extinguisher, the PASS acronym can help you remember how to properly operate one during a fire emergency. Let's break it down step by step. PASS stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. So we pull the pin to unlock the fire extinguisher. We aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, targeting the source. We squeeze the lever slowly and evenly to release the extinguishing agent. Then we sweep the nozzle from side to side, covering the base of the flames. After reviewing and practicing the PASS method, you'll be better equipped to quickly and effectively eliminate a small residential fire. Okay, let's see how it's done in person. So this is a 3A40BC rated fire extinguisher. It has about a 13 to 15 second discharge time. So you want to stand back about 6 to 8 feet from the fire, pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze evenly, and sweep from side to side. So the fire is extinguished. I wanted to give you an idea of the full discharge time for this product. And there you have it. Now we've mastered the PASS method, let's talk about some other things to keep in mind. We'll start with important fire safety tips. If you encounter a fire, the first thing you should do is call 911 or instruct someone to do so. Before attempting to extinguish a fire, ensure you have a clear escape path. Position yourself near an exit so you can quickly access it if needed. When extinguishing an outdoor fire, make sure the wind is blowing away from you to ensure the extinguishing agent can reach the fire. And finally, if the fire is out of control and spreading, your safety comes first. Flee the building and let the professionals handle larger fires. I'll wrap up with some additional facts and recommendations. Having properly placed fire extinguishers in your home is crucial. According to the National Fire Protection Association, every 23 seconds, a fire department in the United States responds to a fire. So preparedness matters. Place fire extinguishers on every level of your home. You should not have to travel more than 40 feet to reach one. Keep fire extinguishers in areas prone to fires, such as kitchens, laundry rooms, patio or grill areas, garages, or sheds. Thank you for joining us today to learn the PASS method and important fire safety tips. Remember, fire safety is a team effort, and together we can create a safer environment for everyone. If you are interested in more fire safety tips and seeing the complete range of Kidde fire safety products, visit our website and follow us on social media. Stay safe and be fire smart. Thank you.